Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have a possible future spoiler for the BoxyCharm box. Now this, I'm pretty sure is going to be for BoxyCharm. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos and sometimes I'll go off track, sometimes do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now to read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, hi, Mandy. How are you doing? Well, Pauline, I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking. And Pauline, I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to comment and watch my videos. I really do love my little YouTube family here, and I love y'all so, so much. And if you yourself want a shout out, just leave a comment on this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from my last video. Alright guys, so let's jump into these spoilers. So first of all, this was found at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram and also on Joseph Martin's stories. You know, he's the one that likes to slide these little sneak peeks to us every once in a while. So we're hoping this is a future spoiler. I don't know which box. It has not been confirmed yet, but I did want to show you guys. So we see 6 different variation palettes of the Dose of Colors. We see Blushing Berries, Snow Angels, or Snow Angel, Sassy Siennas, Pretty Cool, Baked Browns, Marvelous Mauves. So you going to be 6 different variations as soon as they confirm it. Y'all know how that goes. As soon as they reveal anything else, I will be sure to keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now to read the comment that I picked on my last video. Congratulations, Jessica Thorpe. Jessica says, I love the bag and I love your channel. Well, Jessica, thank you so much. That just warms my heart. And I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos. I love you so, so much. And remember, if you want a shout out, you got to leave a comment on this here video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit the subscribe button. And then what I want you to do is rate the video. Even though you only got one choice. You got to hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago. I think YouTube's going to get rid of that thing. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then one more thing before you guys head out. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no comments saying, I missed them spoilers last week. Because you know what? If you had your bell set, you would have seen them. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.